In this video, I'll show you how to trade between assets on Uphold. First, open your web browser or the Uphold mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you have the asset you want to trade in your portfolio. Next, open the Transact screen. In the From field, select the asset you want to exchange. This could be a cryptocurrency, a fiat currency, or another supported asset available in your Uphold account. Now, tap the To field and choose the asset you want to receive. For example, you can trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, convert US dollars into Bitcoin, or exchange one supported asset for another. After that, enter the amount you want to trade. Uphold will automatically display the estimated exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the amount you'll receive. Review all of the details carefully before continuing. Finally, click Preview Trade to review your transaction one last time. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to complete the trade. Once the transaction has been processed, your portfolio will be updated automatically with your new asset balance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to trade between assets on Uphold. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.